Good morning, my name is Ivana and we are at the Grand Hyatt Kochi Bogati. Currently we are about to have an amazing breakfast. They have a lot of options over here, obviously a lot of Indian options, especially South Indian options, but also a lot of Western options. Today we have a very exciting day ahead of us. We are going to visit a beautiful waterfall here in Kerala. I have never been, so I'm very excited to visit. Look who joined us! Hey! This is Neha, my photographer. We are off to the Antrapalli waterfalls here in Kerala. We made it! It took us 1.5 hours by car to get to the waterfalls, and we're actually going to be watching it from a private viewing point. The gorgeous Atirupalli waterfalls. You can see them behind me. They're absolutely beautiful. Let me give you an even better view.
Beetroot and lime.
Oh, beetroot and lime. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Kerala, you beauty. Never can get enough of you. Oh my goodness, this is so good. You like the view?
Yes, amazing view.
Cheers. This is the name of the restaurant if you want to visit yourself. This is happening. I haven't had a Kerala thali since I think my yoga teacher's daughter's wedding. And I love Kerala thalis. We're getting ready with the banana leaves. This extremely cute restaurant where you have like the best view of the waterfalls also sells handmade Ayurveda products. Kerala obviously is the home of the Ayurveda. It is invented here. So Neha and me are shopping, and I also shopped something for you guys. Look at this cute newspaper bag. Your little gift is in here. Thank you so much. One of my New Year's resolutions is to give more gifts, even if they're like super small, because previously I would always think like, oh no, this is so stupid, it's like a small gift. But the smallest gifts always make the biggest impact because somebody thought of you, right? I'll tell you what you have to do to win these 2 products, and I'll tell you that at the end of this vlog. The floods in Kerala.
Yeah, it will be like August 15th, the flood will be happening here. At the time, the waterfall getting like just full covered with water. Like,
yeah.
Just like a Niagara waterfall. And when they like happen, all the way the river will be getting like this much. That's why this area will be getting.
This all is full of water.
Look like it's destroyed or something like that.
Oh my gosh.
And they have so many big trees, everything like that. Also.
Yeah.
At the time, they're all getting washed away.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So the waterfall is all the way over there. This is the river. This all gets flooded. We spotted a deer and we're actually super close to it, and he's still just standing here. Look at Neha. Neha is over here. And this is the deer. I think it might be like 20 meters apart or something. This is something special. Our guide from the restaurant is showing us the secret and hidden spots over here. You cannot do this on your own. Please don't try this. Just go with the guide. If you want that, you can check with Grand Hyatt, Kochi, and then you can make it happen. So pretty here, right? You're so cute. And look how beautiful Neha looks. Like seriously, I can't help staring at her, and she looks so good in pictures too. She looks so cute. Okay, let's explore more of the waterfalls. That was so incredibly beautiful. 10/10 would recommend, especially with the guide, because otherwise you cannot get to the places where we got. We are currently driving back. We're back at the hotel. So when you're done exploring, it is so nice to come back to a place where you get fully pampered. But if you feel like you still need some more action, there is a lake right in front of the hotel, which is absolutely gorgeous. And there are so many activities that you can do on the lake as well. And if you forgot your sunscreen like we did, there's a wonderful gentleman by the pool offering us sunscreen. And there's also beautiful pure rose water facial mist and some cold wet towels. How nice is that? This is so nice. What a service, seriously. What a crunch. Green tea smoked tofu salad. That's incredibly smoky. Very interesting combination. This is actually charcoal grilled. They have a big charcoal oven over here. And if you like non-veg food, this is actually the restaurant for you. Their specialties are all of the grilled meats and grilled fishes from the fish market. But they also have some amazing veg options. And trying the spinach dumpling now. It's so beautiful. That's amazing. Wow. And then we have the honey pepper ricotta over here. So the pepper kicks in later. You can't really taste the honey, I have to say. It's there. It builds up the sweetness. But my favorite would definitely be the cauliflower steak. It's very yummy roasted cauliflower with that smoky flavor, and then the sweet pomegranate seeds. Finally, the dessert. Lemon meringue. That meringue. Wow, okay. 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 There we go. All of this beautiful, beautiful lemon cream. You have to see this inside. Woo. That looks so good. Need to have a little bit of the cake too. Yes, there we go. I have everything. Spoon now. The lemon curd. It's a little bit too thick, but the lemon taste is so good and it's not eggy, the most important thing. And this is very, very crumbly. Something that I really like because sometimes the cake can be like, or the biscuit can be very hard. It's not hard. It's like very crumbly. Super yummy dessert. So I promised you at the end of this video I would tell you what you have to do to win these. You can win this cinnamon and sandal transparent bathing bar and the cardamom spice drops. I would like to know what your impression on Kerala is. Have you ever been to Kerala or would you ever like to go to Kerala? Let me know down in the comments below and I will pick a winner and send you these. Obviously the giveaway is open internationally. This is also where I'm gonna end the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed our day again with the Grand Hyatt Kochi. If you did, put a thumbs up, and if you would like to travel along and see all of the amazing Kerala food we have here, because that's going to be the next vlog, make sure to subscribe to my channel and then I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.